What's up, guys? It's Friday night, and we're bitching. What qualifies somebody as a hack? Well, here's 5 things for me that kind of are red flags. First thing you got to do if you don't want to be a hack, you have to understand the concern, right? Whether it's a drivability concern, a noise, whatever it is, you have to understand the concern. You have to duplicate it. You have to know what it is. If you don't know what it is, you can't fix it. Next thing would be understanding the vehicle, understanding what can cause the concern, what system is it, what do you need to do to repair it. You're going to find all that in service information. Being able to look through service information, understand it, interpret it, and apply it, you got to be able to do that. A lot of hacks I know, they usually don't have service info, or their service information is YouTube or Google. Nothing against YouTube, but not the first place you want to look. If you're doing repairs, you probably want to be using quality parts. No? Correct parts, not the cheap stuff, not used. You want to be using the correct parts for the vehicle. You want to be using the right chemicals, the right coolants, the right sealants, the right oils. They're all components of carrying out an effective repair and providing a safe repaired vehicle. Single-use fasteners, another big one. Huge one that gets overlooked all the time. If you're using the same bolts over, if you're not replacing stuff that is single use or mandatory replacement, valve covers are usually single use. You pull them off, you replace them, period. They're all plastic, they warp, they cause leaks, and they have a whole host of other problems. But understanding what you've got in front of you and what you need to do to fix it correct, huge. Having the correct tooling, correct equipment, correct diagnostic tools. A lot of things need resets. If you don't have service info, if you don't have the correct stuff, you're not going to be able to carry out an effective repair. It's not going to be correct. Something else is going to go sideways. Biggest thing for me, following up. You have to recheck. You have to re-verify your repair. You have to document everything. Take photos before, take photos after. At the end of the day, we're here to provide a service, right? We're here to properly repair vehicles. And we have to be able to provide value in the service we're providing. We're charging a lot of money to fix these cars. People trust us with a lot of money and with a really significant investment. You have to document. You have to display what you did. You have to mark it. You have to recheck everything. You have to verify the problem's fixed. If you're not doing these things, you're probably a hack. Like what I'm saying? Throw me a like. Throw me a subscribe. Disagree? Jump down in the comments. Let me know. Let's have a conversation about it. Only way we get through this is getting through it together. Have a good one, guys. We'll see you next time.